So I have uploaded all four ISCs. Four ISCs you have to write and upload. If anybody have not written and not uploaded previous two, one and two, I will open it. I will increase the submission date, last date, so that you can upload it. So those students who has not written yet and not uploaded assignment ISC 1 and ISC 2, still they can upload. I will keep open. So before 5th December, everyone should submit all four assignments. Regarding books, as I said, the different books are there. So whatever material I have collected up till now, I will upload it on Moodle, giving the links. Even notes are there. Uh, so I will upload those also for your references, right? So that you can write ISAs. So today I will upload all the stuff. Regarding quizzes, also same thing. Starting with first lecture to this lecture, we have uploaded for each week one or two quizzes. So those who has not attempted any quizzes, I request them also. You go through all the quizzes. So submission is regarding your ISC submission and quiz appearance. So this is what is going to be considered. I will also today I will open the settings and keep all the quizzes open so that if anybody has not attempted, they can attempt it one more time. So these are the instructions. So we'll start with the last unit. Share the screen with you. Hope the screen is visible to you. Screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
Okay. The name of the last unit is case studies, and in that we have to go for domain specific IoTs and some applications, smart cities, agriculture, industry, retail, energy systems, health and lifestyle, environment, all this stuff. Just a minute, I'll admit those who are waiting. Just a minute, I'll admit the students, then we'll start.
analyzing our data. Okay.
Okay. So the students still they are coming. Okay. So we'll start with now. Sorry for the interruption. So we are supposed to study here the case studies in IoT, and first point is domain specific Internet of Things. Domain specific, like in different areas, the different Internet of Things are implemented, networks are implemented, and those are handled as a single application. And it is only related to that specific area, you can say domain. So there are a number of domains where IoT is now currently used, and which is helping the people so that they can do the things easily. Agriculture automation is going rapidly. It is one of the increasing field today. Agriculture automation. It is also a domain specific IoT is implemented here. Regarding everything, regarding how the crops will grow and the management, even in the instruments which are used in agriculture, those are also automated. Those are also IoT specific. Temperature sensing, moisture sensing, irrigation system, everywhere this IoT is currently used in agriculture. It is one of the, as I said, booming sectors. Building management, also the civil, you can say civil engineering related, where different buildings are built and also managed. They're also managed in the sense the door openings, automatically door openings, closings, lights switch on off, and fans switching on off, or everything inside the, you can say, home automation system also we can say related to that. Telemedicine and healthcare also started to use IoT. Even now, nowadays there is a concept that online you can purchase the medicines, and those are also tracked. Like last time we have seen value creation, so those are tracked using RFIDs, and the logistics services are provided so that you can get updations regarding where they have reached and how much time it will take to reach to your destination. And healthcare, lot of IoT related tools are developed nowadays regarding each and every health related things. Even some operation doing automated robots are there, which are again working on this IoT concept. So complex operations are also handled by using these tools. That is also one of the biggest, you can say, advantage nowadays which we get. Regarding everyday things, there is a use of IoT, M2M wireless sensor network, machine to machine wireless sensor networks. This is also one of the domain where IoT is used. Smart homes and cities, as I said, this is the concept which is coming up and taking, you can say, which is dreams comes true, like which is taking as a reality. If we compare in the India, we don't have such city developed right now, but almost we are there. Outside countries have this concept, smart cities, smart homes. We have started to working on the same, and definitely will achieve this very soon. Even Bangalore, Pune, Mumbai, Delhi, like big cities are there which are declared like they are going to develop as a smart cities, and which the things are taking place. But again, IoT is heart of it. So IoT is the center of it in smart cities and smart homes concept. Vehicle asset. So in vehicle also there is IoT used. Now you can see, I'll like to give example which I have heard. MG Hector or something like these vehicles which are again automated. Uh, we can say IoT is used there. When you open the door and you sit in the car welcomes you. So this is how the automated things are there. So in everything, manufacturing, motor vehicles, agriculture, energy consumptions, security and surveillance, you can say you are the biggest witness of this security and surveillance. Everywhere there are wireless cameras which are attached. which are observing you and capturing the things. If something wrong, thieves or something like that, accidents or some kind of things are captured. And by using this surveillance cameras, we provide a better security. In ATMs also, this surveillance is you have observed or you are the witness of that. If you enter the ATM center anywhere, nobody is there, but there are the cameras which are capturing each and every moment of yours. Everyday things, telemedicine, healthcare, building management. So all these are different domains, and which are domain specific IoTs are implemented here. Same things we'll discuss IoT applications in healthcare, energy, building, retail, security, home, education, transportation, agriculture, factory, cloud computing, logistics. We'll just take, as we said, we are discussing the case studies where we have implemented or how we can implement, what exactly we can do. If I say smart home, what exactly the IoT things are implemented there. That is what we are discussing here. So first application will take home automation. IoT applications are used for smart homes, smart lighting. So each and every room of your home we can control by using IoT. We may switch on the lights or switch off the lights, or we can say the system like sensors which identify, which detect the entry of the person or people who are living in that inside the room. Suppose there is a living room, and inside living room currently the lights are switched off, and suppose the person is entering through the door inside the living room, so sensors are there which detects the movement and suddenly inform that there is a person or there the people or the particular, you can say, owner is entering inside the room. And that message goes to the control, and the control applies the light switch on button, or you can say which makes switch on of lights, and lights are on. So no need to that person to go to the button or the switches and press that, and then the lights can made on. So no, we do have this kind of system in each and every room. So whenever there is an entry, we can make it on. Now what this will do? What is the benefit of this? So benefit of this is energy consumption. So unnecessarily making switch on and nobody's using there, nobody's sitting inside that room. Then and still the lights are on. So to avoid this, this system is very helpful so that we can save energy, and also we can go for go green concept. If we save energy, definitely we'll save trees more. Energy is saved. We can increase the environment health, or we can support to the nature. So these are the interrelated things. That is a different concept, but still we can go for it. So smart lighting concept. Whenever there is a need, then and then only those are made on. So automatically for other time, those will be switched off. We can save the energy. Smart appliances. I'm inside the room. I want to make fan on or AC on, off. I can do it. Television also we can do it. Suppose I'm entering from one room to another room and I'm accessing some. So automatically there can I can access the Wi-Fi routers. So those are well made on all those things. If inside the home I want it. Second is intrusion detection. Now, as we said, surveillance cameras are there everywhere. So we can detect those people who are outsider and trying to enter. Suddenly there is a system, alarming system, which detects the outside person and gives you the notification that somebody is trying to enter inside your room or inside your home, and we can protect it. And if that person is uh, known person, we can allow them. So these are the intrusion detection systems. Smoke and gas detectors. By some mistake, if there is a short circuit and something is going wrong, we can detect those smoke and gas detectors are there, which will again inform us as a owner. Also, they will inform the fire alarm system. So this is the case study. We can say dimmers are there, which are turning lights on and off. Internal controls, 15-inch wall mount, televisions, wireless communication. We can do it on and off of switches, ACs, televisions, other systems, or whatever systems we do have different appliances, refrigerators, ACs, ovens, water heaters, all this stuff. So we can apply control using the IoT system here, and we can also save the energy. So this is regarding home automation system. Smart lighting, as I said, smart lighting achieves energy saving by sensing the human movements and their environments and controlling the lights accordingly. Intrusion detection, as we said, uses security cameras and sensors to detect intrusions and raise alarms. And these alerts can be of different form, can be SMS, can be emails, or can be a sound which is continuously beeping, image grabbing, or short video clip. Smoke gas detectors, which are installed in homes and buildings to detect smoke, so that they can we can identify at early stages of smoke, you can say fire, and we can stop it. Again, here also there will be alert alarm system. This alarm system also sends signal to the fire brigade. That is more important. Even gas detectors can detect the presence of harmful gases. Uh, to name a few, like carbon monoxide, liquid petroleum gases, LPGs, and we can take care, right? So prevention is better than the cure. So this is what we can implement here in smart home or home automation system. Prevention. Smart cities. So smart cities applications like smart parking, smart lighting for smart road, structural health monitoring, surveillance, emergency response. We'll just take just 2 minutes break. I request just we'll take 2 minutes pause, and then we'll continue. Don't go anywhere. Just we'll take 2 minutes pause. Okay, we'll start now. Thank you very much. Hope all of you are listening and you are there. So we'll discuss about the smart city now. We have just seen smart home automation system. IoT applications in smart cities, smart parking. So whenever there is a vehicle which wants a parking space, definitely there will be IoT systems which will guide it on screen or by showing the different lights indicate that this is the parking and you can park your vehicle. In smart city, every all appliances, all things are connected to each other wireless. Suppose I'm as a inside sitting a car, I'm traveling on the road. Whenever I'm going, nearby networks, Wi-Fi based installers will capture me and I'm connected to it. If I'm passing by a mall, suddenly my mobile system will give me the message that nearby the mall is there, and if these things are required inside your home, you can purchase this. So such a way. So smart parking is there. All parking slots are interconnected to each other. If space is there, it will show you this. There is a parking space. If no, they can route you, guide you to another uh, parking space. Smart lighting for road. As I said, if street lighting or other light kind of lighting is required, whenever there is requirement, they will made on automatically. If not required, they will made off to save the energies. Smart roads, all roads in the city are well connected to IoT everywhere. If I'm, as I said, if I'm traveling nearby hotels, restaurants, medicals, hospitals, schools, colleges, everything is connected, and they can give the message that if you are in need, these services you can take up. Structural health monitoring systems are there, surveillance, emergency response, all these things are interconnected to each other in the smart city. And whenever there is a need, as per the requirement of application, all things will be implemented smoothly. So smart parking, finding the parking space in the crowded city can be time consuming and frustrating. Parking makes the search for parking space easier and convenient for a driver. Automatically, it will give you the message, yeah, you are searching for the parking, here it is the space, and it will guide you the route. So it can detect the number of empty parking slots and send this information over the internet to the smart parking application, which can be accessed by the drivers using their smartphone, tablets, and car navigation systems. Smart lighting for roads allows lighting to be dynamically controlled and also adaptive to ambient conditions. Yes, the conditions which I haven't talked, but here those are mentioned. So those are adaptive to ambient conditions like rain or whatever other different kind of situations. Smart light connected to the internet can be controlled remotely to configure lighting schedules and lighting intensity. So we can schedule the lighting, street lighting also, that it will make on at 6 p.m. and it will continue up to 6 a.m., something like that. Smart roads provide information on driving conditions, travel time estimates, that how much time it will take if this is your destination which is chosen by you, and it alerts in case of poor driving conditions, traffic congestions, and accidents. So all this information they will give you on your smartphone, connected smartphone or mail or car navigation system. Structural health monitoring. It uses network of sensors to monitor and the vibration levels in the structures such as bridges and buildings and analyze this data so that possibly they can detect cracks and mechanical breakdowns and locate the damages to the structures also in advance so that we can take care and we save lives. Surveillance of infrastructure, public transport, and events in the cities can be done so that we can ensure safety and security. Emergency response system is there. Alerts are sent to the public or traffic regarding evacuations of the affected areas. All this we can implement using the smart city IoT systems. We will move ahead. We'll go for environments. IoT applications for smart environment, which includes basically weather monitoring, air pollution monitoring, noise pollution monitoring, forest fire detection, river flood detection. So all these are included in the environment, smart environment. Weather monitoring collects data from number of sensors which are attached. For example, temperature sensors, humidity sensors, pressure sensors, which sends the data and send this data to the cloud-based applications which are working at the backend. The data collected in the cloud can be analyzed or visualized so that these applications, cloud-based applications, can take decisions. For example, weather alert can be sent to the subscribed areas by such cloud-based applications based on the data collected and analysis. For example, there is AirPi. AirPi is a weather and air quality monitoring kit is available, which is capable of recording and uploading information about temperature, humidity, air pressure, light levels, UV levels, carbon monoxides, smoke levels, and this record and upload information on the internet. So AirPi. Using this, we can send alerts to the subscribed areas or users. Air pollution monitoring. IoT based air pollution monitoring system. Using this system, we can monitor emission of harmful gases. Maybe those gases are by factories or automobiles or meteorological, you can say parts. So these sensors can sense these harmful gases and can send this data to the again cloud-based applications. Collected data can be analyzed and make informed decisions on pollution control approaches. Nowadays, we heard name of Delhi. So Delhi air pollution is increasing, or it reach at this level, this level. So these are the air pollution monitoring sensors which sense and gives the information, and so that we can control it. Even Supreme Court is involved in this to control the Delhi city pollution. They are analyzing the reasons and they are taking care. Noise pollution monitoring, forest fire detection. So IoT based forest fire detection system can use number of monitoring nodes which are deployed at different locations in the forest, and each this monitoring node collects the information of ambient conditions, which includes and involves temperature, humidity, light levels, and early detection of this forest fire can help to minimize the damage. River flood detection, this is also very important. So IoT based river flood monitoring system we can develop, and we can use this where number of sensor nodes are available which monitors the water level using the different sensors like ultrasonic sensors, and also using the velocity sensors they can measure the flow rate, and so that we can identify that what will be water level at particular flow rate and how what level it is going to reach, and we can control it. So data from these sensors are aggregated in the cloud based application or a server, and we can take alerts, or we can alert and take necessary actions if a rapid increase in the water level is happening or flow rate is detected. I think these three cases we have seen. We will stop here. We have taken home automation system, smart city, and smart environment. So these are the three domain-specific IoTs we have discussed. We'll stop here. We'll take attendance now. If no questions are there, if any questions are there, you can raise here. You can ask so that we can discuss. So last unit is regarding the case studies, where these systems IoT, which we have studied different protocols and all the stuff, we can implement. Such applications are there. So anybody have any doubt, any question? Else we'll go to last part. We'll stop here. Remaining applications, domain specific IoTs will discuss in next lecture. So I request all of you to type your roll numbers sequentially. So first 1 to 10, roll number 1 to 10, type your roll numbers in the chat. We'll go to last part now if no doubts are there. Roll number 1 to 10. Am I audible? Yes, okay. 1, 8, Nagni, Aman Singh. Anybody from 1 to 10? Roll number 1 to 10. Okay. Next is 11 to 20. Roll number 11 to 20. Okay, 11 to 20. 19 and 20. Okay, 21 to 30. Roll number 21 to 30. 24, 27, 28. Roll number 31 to 40. 31 to 40. 41 to 50. Roll number 41 to 50. Roll number 41 to 50. Okay. 51 to 60. Roll number 51 to 60. Roll number 51 to 60. Okay. Roll number 61 to 70. Roll number 61 to 70. Roll number 61 to 70. 71, 72. Roll number 71, 72. Okay. Anybody's remained? You can type your roll number in the chat. Thank you very much. Start working writing ISCs, and I will open the settings so that you can attempt the quizzes, remaining quizzes, and upload the assignment ISCs. Okay. Thank you very much. You can leave the meeting, no problem. Thank you.